you doing? You ain't even got him dirty yet. He's just a street queen. Jeez.
Hey, I gotta get it clean. I'm getting my stickers.
Oh, what do you mean gotta get him clean? You ain't even got him dirty.
Oh, he's dirty. Look.
He hasn't even left the garage.
Look, yeah.
Wow, that's dust from sitting in the garage like a street queen. Why don't you give away that shifter you've been wanting to give away?
Well, I already have a winner.
Who's that?
Let me get the shifter.
And we're going to tell who the winner is.
Yeah, and then we'll tell who the winner is.
You better, because they're waiting on you.
I know. I haven't been feeling good. I'm sorry.
Well, that's true. You've been sick.
I haven't felt good. You know,
we had planned a bunch of videos and you got sick.
At the end of my vacation.
But you got another week off.
I did. Okay. So, shifter.
Who's it going to?
Michael Livingston.
Oh, no. You can't give it to him.
Yes, I'm giving it to Michael Livingston.
You can't give it to him.
Why not?
I don't know. You guys, you can.
Well, he was the first one that commented.
True.
And
he always comments on your stuff.
He does, but he was the very first one to comment saying that he wanted it. So I'm being fair. Yep.
He deserves it.
So, Michael Livingston, you won.
All he has to do is go on my website and buy one, and we'll send it to him.
No, you don't have to buy one. This one's yours.
But we got to send it to him. He's got to pay for shipping.
We're going to send it to him.
Free shipping, too?
Free shipping, too, yes.
Are you paying for shipping?
Yes, I will pay for shipping for him.
You're hard on me. How am I supposed to make any money if you keep giving everything away?
Hey, well, it's free. I'm giving it to him.
I'll let it go this time.
Okay.
I'll get it out of you later, I guess. Mike, you can message me and give me your address. Message me and give me your address, and we'll get you one sent out with a nice sticker pack. Yep,
yes.
that one's all yours already. We'll get it. It's brand new.
It is 2 miles on it.
I'm gonna have to put a scratch on it. That way, it's not new.
Oh no!
Are you sure?
No, we can't do that.
We can't do that.
No.
Okay.
He won it fair and square.
He did. He did. Good luck to him.
Yes.
Good luck to him. Yep. Thanks for participating.
He'll enjoy the shifter. He'll enjoy it.
Yeah, I'm sure he will. Now, what are you gonna do with this? What did you say you had coming?
I have stickers coming.
But what'd you say? What stickers were they for? I don't remember.
It says #bandit on it.
So we're putting it right here?
Yeah, it's gonna go like right here.
Right there. We're gonna put.
And on the other side too.
Okay,
so I clean the other side too.
And why are we doing #bandit? So people can, if they see Bandit out, they can take pictures and hashtag it.
And hashtag it, yeah.
And see if they can see it out or not.
Yep, exactly. I think that's a good idea.
Heck yeah. Well, I think we're going to get you back in the house and get some medicine in you. And hopefully you're feeling better because you went and got another week off.
Yeah.
And hopefully we got nice weather and we can do more videos.
I hope. I'm feeling a little better, but I'm not 100% yet. So.
We wanted to, and then she got sick on like Tuesday.
Yeah.
It sucked.
It did.
It sucks.
All right, guys. Thank you. Michael Livingston, congratulations. We'll be getting this out to you as soon as we get your info. So thanks again, guys. We'll see you next one. Bye.